Here's the planished weld. Let's see if I can focus. Nice and flat, uniform, good even penetration. So we'll check out the radius. If you go over to my buck, you can see we're 6 on the sides. It's a little bit off right here in the center, but it's a 6 along the sides, and then it tapers down to the end. My buck isn't great right in that little spot, but it's a 3 down in the corner, so it's about 4 in the middle. So now we'll check the panel. 6 all the way through. Right back to the radius where I started before I welded. See, it starts getting steeper. 4 right in the middle of the transition. And then down the corner, like I said, eventually it's going to be a 3. And it's real close. I'll final tune that in once I complete this weld with this back panel when everything's joined up. But that's it. That's how I finish my welds. I always start in the planishing hammer. It crushes them, gets the stretch back real fast, but I'm way more comfortable on the wheel. So then I jump over to English wheel and I fine tune my radius, and it gives me this beautiful finish that you can see even on steel. And that's it. That's how it's done.